What's up guys, welcome back. So friends, finally Samsung has launched its all new upgraded products Samsung M31s in the Indian market. And it's the first time ever on Galaxy M series there are so many powerful and amazing intelli-Cam options available in this all new Samsung M31s. There are so many changes that Samsung has made in this new device comparatively previously launched Samsung M31. If we talk about the camera, now there are a big changes on camera sensor with the help of intelli-Cam technology. Now you can get more clear and detailed images like never before with Sony IMX682 as an ultra-wide camera. At the front, with more optimized 32 megapixel camera sensor, has bunch of new feature available like front 4K recording, AR doodle and AR emojis. The all-new Samsung M31s loaded with the new exciting feature called single take multiple outputs, where you can get up to 10 different photo and videos with just one click, like best moment, boomerang, smart crop, hyperlapse and many more. The big game-changing option loaded here from Samsung is its massive battery. It has 6000 MHz battery with 25 watt fast charging technology. The most amazing feature in this, reverse charging, where you can easily pass the charge to other device through the Type-C cable. There are very impressive cosmetic changes in this device. The segment-leading Super AMOLED Infinity O display gives you more premium and impressive viewing experience with minimum interruption. Now the booster is here. The Exynos 9611 monster processor, blazing fast process and unmatched performance on game boost option with LPDDR4X RAM. Among of all these great features in this monster device, one thing that I really disappointed with is the fingerprint sensor. At this price of segment of Rs 21,499, Samsung should have given the in-display fingerprint sensor too. But except this, all other top features of this device stand off this phone one step ahead from other devices available in the Indian market right now. This monster will available in two color option, Mirage Blue and Mirage Black, and it's come with two different storage variant, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. This phone will exclusively available online in Samsung Mobile official website and Amazon on 6th of August 2020. So if you're planning to buy a good quality feature phone, this is the one of the best device for you right now under Rs 22,000 of price segment. So what you think about this phone? Write us on comment section. For more updated videos of upcoming phones, please do subscribe this channel. Thanks for your love and support. Goodbye.